Samantala, binaliwala ni U.S. Republican Senator Lindsey Graham ang Gaza occupation plan ni Donald Trump habang sinabi naman ni Democrat Senator Richard Blumenthal na inaasahan nila ang isang proposal mula sa Arab states.
So once you find out who wants to stay after they've given a chance to leave, the Palestinians, what do you do next? Well, I've been working for 2.5 years on a solution to the Palestinian file that Israel can live with and the Arab world can support. Bottom line is that no one expects Israel to do any kind of deal regarding Gaza or the West Bank that would lead to another October 7th. Nobody expects Israel to allow Hamas to stay in charge, and nobody believes that the PA is the right answer in this current construct. One thing I will say, there's very little appetite that I've seen in the United States Senate for America to take over Gaza in any way, shape, or form. I think that would be a difficult sell in South Carolina.
Sinabi nila ito sa kanilang pagbisita sa Israeli Parliament kasunod ng kanilang pagpupulong kay Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Sa kabila ng suporta ng Israeli Prime Minister and Parliament sa occupation plan ni Trump na magpapalaya sa kabuuang populasyon ng mga Palestino, hinanda na rin ni Israeli Defense Minister Israel Katz ang IDF na maghanda para sa puwersang pagpapalayas sa mga Palestino mula sa Gaza. Sinabi ni Graham na kapartido ng presidente na mababa ang kagustuhan ng Amerika na sakupin ang Gaza sa kahit ano pang kapasidad. Ayon naman kay Senator Richard Blumenthal, isang non-starter ang naging mga pahayag ni Trump ukol sa Gaza. Subalit, sa kabila nito ay hinimok nito ang mga Arab states na bigyang halaga ang usapin ukol sa Gaza.
My talks with King Abdullah convinced me that the plan that the Arab states will offer to President Trump provides a realistic prospect for normalizing relations, self-determination by the Palestinians, regional defense arrangements, and security for Israel. If those components are part of a realistic plan, it could be a game changer for the region.
Nakatakdang makipagpulong ang Saudi, Emirati, Jordanian at Egyptian officials para mapag-usapan ang magiging kinabukasan ng naturang teritoryo ng mga Palestino.